Hello folks, LA Little here. This is today's short take. I had a question posed yesterday in the trading room when I was working with traders on what was happening in the markets. We were looking at the XLE, and we were looking at particular at XOM, Exxon Mobile. Trading back down, it's coming back down to the price points here that it's had lows at before. This is kind of the third trip down now to test these areas. You had pretty big volume the first time down, a little bit less volume the next time down. You're coming down to test again, have less volume. That looks like a buy when you look at it on this time frame. If you, and we're talking about bottom fishing, right? If you look at it on a weekly chart, right, there you can see a spike down with volume. That low, let's get the low price point, 86.19. You undercut it here, 86.03, less volume. Again, this looks like the kind of scenario where you're setting up some sort of a bottom setup, right, where volume on the second push wasn't sufficient compared to the price, right? Wasn't sufficient. You got a nice boost on this next bar, volume bar up. Now you're fading back in to test it again. Again, looks pretty interesting. Come to the monthly, and here's why you have to be careful. When you come to the monthly, you actually have two swing point lows that are set together. Those can lead to fast moves if they break, especially on this time frame. We're talking about the monthly. And so those price points down there are not that far underneath current price and actually those current lows. So what you really need to see before you jump on anything like this is you need to see that this holds. If this doesn't hold, this could be a fast move down, certainly to test this low, but even to go as low as here. And that's a huge move. You know, that's a $20 move on an 80 or roughly $90 stock. That's nothing to, well, shall we say, to ignore. Because if it actually makes that kind of a move, you don't want to be in this. I don't know that it is. You know, Exxon Mobil's a good company, strong balance sheet, but you got oil down in the doldrums, and these companies are struggling as a result of it. Let's see how this plays out. If you're trying to trade this thing on the long side, make certain you don't get caught in a break. 84.70 is the low there. 84.79 there. Two of them lined up together. That's where it becomes very dangerous. Until next time, take care.